All right, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, and welcome to you for our normal show. This is now the Day Trader Show. Welcome to all of you, the opening bell, getting ready for an explosive day. The markets are dumping at the moment, but it'll be okay in a couple of minutes. We've got to give it like 15, 20 minutes and things will recover. So let's get straight into the main show where we are now. As you can see, the markets are down 1.87. We are seeing a big drop right now, but they will return in a minute. And stick with us as we go through the markets. McDonald's and Coca-Cola reported okay this morning. It wasn't disastrous at all. Robbie Cooper is first in the new show. Good morning. I hope you enjoyed the earnings. Thank you very much, Robbie Cooper. Welcome to the show. Welcome to you. And let's get ready for another live show. Here we go. This is going to be the main earnings report now for you. And here we go. The overall markets will bounce back in a second. I'm very sure of that. We'll see it come back in a second. Here it comes. We'll get a bit of bouncing around though, I'm sure. But I've no doubt it'll come back. We're going to have a few minutes of this, probably 20 minutes or so. But we've also got Microsoft and Google. And, of course, we also have tomorrow afternoon, we have the FOMC report. That was our biggest ever show. 6,000 viewers live watched us last time. And that's happening tomorrow afternoon. And we'll be covering that live on the show. So there we go. The overall market, we're going to go for all the stocks for you right now during the show. So bear with us just a couple of seconds' time. And we'll cover the entire market for you. We're just resetting the screens for the new show, which we just started. The opening bell show will be here live with you for the next couple of hours. And then we have the closing bell. And then we have Google and Microsoft after hours. So stick with us. We'll be here with you all day. It's going to be a very big day today. Let's just get into there. Hi all. Welcome everybody. All right. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Let's go for all our stocks right now. The overall portfolio is just trying to bounce back. We are getting a bit of a bounce back right now, as expected. Give us a few seconds and it will come back up again. I'm sure of that. Coca-Cola and McDonald's wasn't bad earnings at all. Wasn't bad earnings. It wasn't great, but remember I said we only needed an okay earnings. Everybody's priced in disaster. So anything above disaster is okay, and it was quite good. It was quite good. Their earnings was up. So at the end of the day, in this situation, to have their earnings up is okay by me. All right, so look at the S&P. It's just trying to push up. A lot of people taking profits. You heard that mentioned in the call. So we are getting that right now. No surprise there. We will get that. All right, that was just me testing a few things. Don't worry about that. Okay. Let me check over on Twitch. We're all good? Yep, I restarted that for you. That's good. Right. Let's go through all our shares right now. Virgin Galactic, a big dip this morning, and it's coming straight back up again. Virgin Orbit, it dumped, but I'm still up nearly 6%. I'm not bothered. I've got my buy orders in. Tesla is coming back up again. Rivian coming back up again. It's a story across the whole board. As I thought, buy small amounts. Yep, buying the dips. Yes, indeed. But only buy the dips if it goes below your average, though. Don't pay more for it. Don't pay more for it. But that depends on your position. I understand that. Arrival. You're always after better prices. Okay. If you're down on a stock like I am, then you can buy more. But only if you're down on it. If you're up on it and you're just buying it for the sake of it, it depends on your position, of course, right? Of course it does. Amazon's come back up again now. It's bouncing back. I'm not buying any more at all. I've got a big enough position. I'd have to sell some to buy back at a lower price to do that. Robinhood had a big swing this morning. McDonald's, here we go. It reported good. I'm trying to buy some more at a really big discount, and sometimes that comes after earnings. And I've got a ridiculously low order placed, ready to go. I doubt if it'll happen now, though, but it doesn't matter. I'll cancel it soon. Coca-Cola had a great earnings, and that's going up. I'm up 0.5% now, looking good. Johnson & Johnson soaring away. This is a big swing for Johnson & Johnson, of course. Really, really good. Wonderful stuff. And let's have a look. Google is coming back up. We've got Google and Microsoft reporting tonight. Microsoft is down 1.29. I've got orders placed there as well. Meta is down at the moment. A lot of swing trading, or scalp trading, should I say, going on there. If you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. Give us a thumbs up. Let us know you are here. We've only got 8 likes and 20 watching. Let me go and reset my screens, folks. Stay right where you are. I'm just going to go and reset a couple of screens at the back of the studio. All right, here we go. Give me a second. Just resetting some screens. I'll be right back in 10 seconds. Just got to plug in a couple of screens when we change shows over. All right, just about done. Okay, that'll do. Okay, here comes the bounce, as you can see. The bounce is coming back up. Good sell-off this morning, expected that. Priced in for that, and I also bought the dips, or at least set the buy limits. I didn't get any so far, but anyway, never mind. I did try to get some and I haven't got any so far, but I've set ridiculously low buys because it has to be below my all-time low. So if I got it, it's a gift, and nothing's gone through yet. And I don't really expect it to be honest. It just would have been a nice little... you sometimes get leaks of the reports. You sometimes get a dramatic swing. There we go, Walmart. I bought some more Walmart last night. You saw me do it, 121, lowered my average. Look, we're down 8% today, 7.59, and I'm only down 0.18. Best thing I did. Buy some more at a ridiculously low price. Plus, you've got the dividends, right? So it pays for itself anyway. It makes perfect sense. So Walmart, I'm happy with that. I've got some more placed at like at 100, some silly 20% discount. And it happens sometimes. You get these crash, fire sales all of a sudden for no reason. Some news comes out and boom. But are you a long-term investor or just a short-term trader? But for me, I want to hold these stocks. So I've got a buy, a really cheap buy, which I don't expect to get. But if I do, it'll be a gift. Tilray's down, but trying to push back up again. Ginkgo Bioworks, swing trading. Enphase Energy, there we go. Look at that. Look at that, I'm up 22% now on Enphase Energy. Big swing there this morning, but I wouldn't have bought any more. I've got a big enough position. Bitcoin SV had a big drop this morning. Bitcoin, I only have Costco stocks, many of them. Very, very nice. Play, congratulations. Costco is great. Costco, Walmart, the two best I think you can have in the US. I think I've got a bit of Target only because it crashed, but the main one is Walmart and Costco, definitely. There we go. Right, over the overall portfolio, as you can see, it's coming back up again. I'm down just 1.26. Very happy with that. I haven't yet picked any free shares. What I mean by that is 20% drops on those stocks. For today, Coca-Cola, Microsoft, Google and McDonald's. All those four reporting today. And I didn't expect for a minute I would get a 20% drop. But sometimes you can, because long-term investors that invest long-term in those companies might suddenly drop a load of shares and you'd get a split-second drop. And if you're lucky, your order could go through and pick up yourself a 20% discount and with an immediate bounce. It's always worth doing a 10 or 20% buy order for a great company that you really want, because if it happens, obviously bearing in mind if it's terminal bad news, then you might lose your money. But if you believe in McDonald's and you believe in Coke and you believe in Microsoft and you believe in Google, there's no terminal news ever coming, right? So it makes sense that a big investor could sell and people will just immediately buy it, and that's what happens. So I always set that. I've got a buy of 650 at Tesla just sitting there. If there should be a big drop, I'd buy it. Do you have any interest in OXY stock? Warren Buffett has a large position in it. I don't know anything about OXY, Robbie Cooper, if I'm honest. once we calm down here in the morning from the opening bell, I will have a look at it for you. So please remind me in about 10 minutes. I'll probably remember anyway, but please do. We'll have a little look at it. Right, stocks are trying to come back up again. Amazon, I'm down 5%. At the moment, Apple, I'm just down 0.5, hardly anything at all. I'm okay with that. McDonald's is going back up again. There we go. I was trying to get a little bit of a discount, but it didn't happen. I've only got 2 shares. Would have liked to get a bit more, but the big drop didn't come. It could come throughout the day. Coca-Cola, one of the best companies ever. I'm up 1% now. I've increased my position. I've got a buy in place. Should I get this massive drop drop with the investors selling out? It could happen at any moment. Always worth having something there. Johnson & Johnson having an amazing day. That's a big swing for Johnson & Johnson. Doesn't have days like that. It's very slow, steady growth. Google is down 1.67. They report tonight, of course, so we're looking forward to that. If you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know you're here. Give us a thumbs up, and we'd love to welcome you to the show. All right. For our guests over there on YouTube, TikTok, here is your invitation to join us today. Over here on YouTube, youtube.com/thedaytrader1. Links in the profile, or you just type that straight in and come on in if you want to. All right, okay. I sold my Google stocks because I can program my own personal search engine. I like that. That's good. I sold my Google stocks because I can program my own personal search engine. I like that. Who needs Google? Don't need Google, do you, Play? You've got it sorted. I love it. All right, we're going back down again. 36, I'm down 2%. But again, let's get some perspective. Let's go back over the month. Over the month, I'm still up 2.83. That's okay. Current climate, biggest stocks selling now, or biggest stocks reporting. We've got earnings week. We've got all FOMC tomorrow. Of course, that'll be great for the market if we finally get on top of inflation. That's tomorrow, so get ready for that. But it's a very, very busy week this week on the Day Trader, and we're covering it all live with you. All right? Okay, fantastic. Get ready for a big week here on the show. Very excited. All right, I want to welcome all our guests over on TikTok, Twitch, and wherever you are watching right now. Thank you very much indeed. More blood is coming. Of course it is. There's going to be some more. We know that. But am I concerned about that? No, I'm not concerned about that at all. I'm prepared for it. I've priced that in. It is what it is. We are in a difficult situation, but it's a good opportunity. If the markets were massively flying up, you wouldn't have the opportunity like you're having now. This is what we want, right? This is allowing the next generation to get into the stock market. So let me just pause it a second on TikTok. Only a second. I've just got to pause it a second. I'll be right back in 10 seconds. You won't even know how quick it is. It'll be less than 10 seconds. You ready? Here we go. And I'm back. There we go. Just a second. All right. Vanguard S&P is now going down 0.69. And we've got our cash giveaway as well coming up on Friday. We've now got a record number of people now viewing the email. 92 people have verified, with 122 trying to verify, so should I say. That's the best way of putting it. Sorry, I've done them muted again. I apologise. There we go. Muted yourself. I keep doing that. Apologize, guys, for muting myself. I was just saying the email newsletter. Please go and register for it now. We now have 122 people registered, but 92 only are verified. There's some of you that haven't verified yet. The link's in the chat. All right. Just giving you the link. Okay. And we did have an error with our newsletter last week, so please go and do that now. Some of you haven't verified. Some of your verifications didn't come through because I ran out of emails. I had to upgrade my account to be able to email you all. I still did not get the newsletter. Yes, you will now. The Church of Logic, you will now. It's because I ran out of emails. So if you go and click on that link now, all right, I promise you'll get it straight away. Here is the link. Click on this right now, and it'll bring you to here. Let me post it twice. It'll bring you to this page here. It'll bring you to that page there. Click on the Day Trader newsletter and look for the verification. I wasn't sending the emails out because I ran out of emails, okay? And the email that you are looking for is thedaytrader@martynlucas.com. It will send you a fresh, new verification email. Okay, here it is. That's what you're searching for, thedaytrader@martynlucas.com. Okay, make sure that you subscribe to the Day Trader one, the one on the top. All right, and if it works, I can tell you straight away if it's worked. All right, okay, the markets are trying to come back up again. Vanguard S&P is coming back up. Virgin Galactic is coming back up. Rob Brennan, I would fear, is having some stress this morning, but hopefully he's feeling okay. Virgin Orbit, I've got buy set there to buy lower. Tesla, Rivian, Lucid, Polestar, Arrival down. Amazon's coming back up. Look at that. I'm not buying. It'd have to swing like 10, 15%. For me to buy more. I've got so much of Amazon, and 4% is nothing. I didn't buy Amazon to make 4%, so when that goes back and then goes up another 4%, I'll be fine. Apple is down today, but heading back up again. Robinhood is down. Time to buy Robinhood now if you want to. It's approaching its lows again. I've got enough. It doesn't pay dividends. There's no real point. McDonald's is recovering now after that. Very nice. And Coca-Cola, fantastic. I'm up with buy orders in, but I doubt if I'll get them because they are silly cheap. But you never know. Sometimes you get a gift. All right. The Church of Logic. I'm just refreshing it. Yes, you've just done it, haven't you? You've just done it. The Church of Logic, it's just gone up to 93 verified from 92. Someone has just verified their email. Fantastic. There you go. Who was it? Let me know who that was in the chat. Let me know who that was. Who just got the verification email? They are now going out. Yes, sir. Yep, I can see it. Look, here you are. There you go. 93. That's you. You just became 93rd. Some of you got stuck because I'd run out of emails. So if you've not yet received our newsletter with our top tips, what I'm trading, and all the competitions for every week, you can always unsubscribe if you don't want it anymore, but I don't know why you would. It gives you free money. And there it is. If you've not received the newsletter, go and verify again. Do it now because it now works. I ran out of emails. There is the link, and here is the email you're searching for. There you go. All right. I want to get 93 to match 120. 123. I want everyone to be verified because if they want it. Hey, Timothy Adams, there's the newsletter. Sorry, I mistyped it. There you go. Timothy Adams, how are you? Can I ask a question? You may indeed. You are a member. I could do a lot more than just answer the question. Please do. Maybe you have an answer. Maybe I do. Maybe I don't. I have an order for SPCE at sticks. Hopefully it fills this week. Leave my pony alone. You never know. You never know. If it goes to 4, I'm going to double up. What's going on with SNDL? SNDL. What's SNDL? Let's have a look. SNDL. Let's have a look. Sundial Growers. Okay. Well, first of all, if you're going to be involved in cannabis stocks, I think there is only one to be involved with, and that would have to be Tilray. Tilray is the biggest in the world. So, because of the situation with the regulations, if one's going to succeed, it'll be Tilray. But the reason why that's popped a little bit recently, when did it pop? When did that go up there? That was July 25th. Let's have a little look. Why isn't that showing? Down today, down on the week, down on the month. 3 months ago, it popped up there. We had an increase because in Germany there's now good news for cannabis, but it's a reverse stock, is it? Is that why the price has changed so dramatically? Okay, that makes sense. It's a reverse split. A reverse split is not a good sign. It's not a good sign. It means the stock was falling out of the index and they had to reverse split. A forward split is good. A forward split is good. It gives people the opportunity to buy a cheaper stock. A reverse split is keeping the stock in the index because it's getting too cheap. It could fall off the index and disappear. So that's not good. All right, it looks great, but it's not good at all. I wouldn't touch it anyway. You should be in Tilray. If you are an investor in cannabis, this is the one you want to be in, not SNDL. Okay. Yeah, it's a reverse split. SNDL reverse stock split today. There we go. Shopify stock sinks 15% after company says it will lay off 10% of workers. Thank you for that news, Leave My Pony. Tilray Brands is coming up. That's the one you want to be in if you want to be in cannabis. And this could be good because if Sundial goes kaput, Tilray has even less competition. Tilray Brands, completely different ballgame, the biggest in the world for that. I'm not really a fan of this stock, but I am holding it because I know when the news comes out, it'll pop up and then I'll sell it. It's not a hold for me. Robbie Cooper, yes, I will look at it. RIP to UBS stocks, yikes. OXY, I will look at OXY for you. Here comes the market. As I said, it would bounce back. It is. Good stuff. Let me look at OXY right now. Okay, OXY. Let me do it right now. We've got a lot to go on right now. OXY. Oxy Petroleum. Oh, I wouldn't be in this either. Because oil has peaked its prices. Is this an oil company? Yep. I wouldn't be in this either. I think oil has peaked. As you can see, we've had a good little run. But no, I wouldn't be in that either. Who's interested in Oxy? Who was it interested in Oxy? Robbie Cooper. Yeah, I wouldn't be in it. I think it's only going to go down from here. You don't buy the top of the market at all. You'd never do that. It's not for me. I'm more now in Enphase Energy than ever, more Tesla than ever. Solar energy companies, all of this stuff, it's peaked. I don't see it ever returning again. I wouldn't, thanks, just sold all SNDL, bought Tilray. Please don't take my financial advice. It's my opinion what I'm doing with my money. Just measure me on my success or whatever I've done. Don't take what I do and just follow it. It's your position is very different to mine. Everyone's position is different. How you feel about stocks is very different. Don't just copy what I do. But anyway, I think you've done a very wise thing though by buying Tilray because I'm down 20%. You've got Tilray at a bargain right now, in my humble opinion. And as Dan Penner would say, and there's nothing humble about me. That's what he'd say. All right. Okay. Let's get ready to rock and roll. The markets are very muted at the moment. Apparently S&DL is a Canadian company. So is Tilray Brands. So regulation in America wouldn't even affect that stock. Yes, it would, because they want to sell to America. Regulation in America would be great for that stock. That company want to sell their cannabis to the US. So of course it would benefit. If suddenly the Senate decided that everyone could go out and buy cannabis tomorrow, then it's good for any cannabis company. So yeah, it doesn't matter if they're a Canadian company or not. So is Tilray. Had to sell some space, Martin, for personal stuff. Still in with 17,000 shares though. All right, you sold it a lot. Did you sell it a profit or a loss though? When did you sell it? How much did you sell it for? Had to sell some space for a loss. Oh dear. Okay, I understand. That could bounce back today though. There's Bill. Welcome, Bill. Good morning, Bill. A fat loss. But are you still up though? Because you made a fat profit. You've now done a fat loss. Did that balance it out? Did it balance it out? Did the profit, was the profit more than the loss? Anyway, Virgin Galactic's going back down again. Virgin Orbit down. I've got an order in. Tesla, 790. I'm still up nearly 12% though. I'm not concerned at all. Rivian, Lucid, bit of a dive at the moment. Arrival, Amazon, trying to push back up, roughly break even for the month. Let's see how the day goes. Okay. That's why I'm not day trading Virgin Galactic at the moment. If you day trade, this is my thoughts on it, and this is not my advice. If you're day trading, day trade, sell it all, buy it all. You bought 120 grand's worth. You were up. You sold some. If your intention is to just day trade it, make profit, scalp it, sell it all. People say just sell half. Well, only if you're going to long-term invest. Only if you're going to long-term invest and take profit. If you are literally scalp day trading with no intention of holding the stock, sell it all. Because now it's gone down, you feel bad because you've wiped out what you made, right? So for me, what I'd be doing is if I didn't believe in the stock, I just thought it could pop. Oh, McDonald's, love it. Fantastic, really great. I only wish I owned more, but it didn't present it didn't present itself to me, so I couldn't. But I'm up 4%, and that's fine. There'll come days when we'll have dips. And Coca-Cola as well. Very, very good. They both reported today. They're both up. Awesome stuff. Yeah, decide whether you are a day trader or a scalp trader or a long-term investor on each stock. Now, I do everything, but I know what I am on each stock. Right, subscribe and ring the bell, everybody. We've got... I'm going to go on strike for 1 minute. We've got 31 watching and only 12 likes. So let's put a minute on the clock. Let's go on strike. I want 30 likes in 1 minute. Are you ready? Here we go. Mr. Mini-Me is demanding it. Here we go. Going to go on strike. Over here on YouTube. 12 likes. Everyone smash the like button. Are you ready? 13 likes. Let's get it rocking and rolling. Let's get it moving. Come on then. What's going on? 13 likes. We've got 30 people watching. Only half have liked it. If you like the video, all it does is tell YouTube to share the video so more people can find out what we're doing here. Hell yeah, my favourite part. Chicky, 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 ba with the real Satoshi. Please stand up. Please stand up. Will the real Satoshi stand up? Nakamoto. I said, chicky, 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 ba I said, chicky, 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 ba diddly bomb, doop, boop, boop. There you go. We got 14 likes after all that. 2 likes. Are you kidding me? I had to perform out of my skin there for 2 likes. What's going on? Everyone's... There we go. Here comes the bounce back. Google and Microsoft. I've got really silly, cheap orders placed. if I can get it. But I'm waiting for the earnings tonight, and we are reporting it after hours. Okay, massive day today here on the Day Trader. Look, we are doing Google's earnings after hours. We're going to be here all day with you. So who will be the first? If you want to take part in Google's earnings, here it is. After hours tonight. Please go and like it now. It helps the channel grow. And you can also leave a comment, and you can click the ring the bell. If you ring the bell, look, see it right here. You can tell everybody that you're already going to be coming. Notify. That would be absolutely awesome. And Bill is now a silver member. You can see that in the chat. And he's upgraded to silver, which is lovely. And he's been a member now. He's got a gold badge. He's been a member for a long time. So I'm going to be the first person to comment. Oh, get in. There we go. I beat everyone today. I even beat Mike, which is amazing. Right. Go and like it. That'll be absolutely awesome stuff. All right. The markets are trying to come back now. As predicted, a lot of day traders are flat at the end of the day, meaning they carry no positions overnight. There we go. A lot of day traders are flat at the end of the day, which meaning they carry no positions overnight. All right. Thank you very much indeed. Coinbase is almost down 13% today. SEC investigation into CEO. I ain't touching that stuff anymore. It's a joke. Roughly break even for the month, Rob even says. My only crypto is, I'll show you, Ethereum. I haven't got any. I mean, I've got like $1, nothing. I'm waiting for it to drop, okay? It may or may not, I don't care. My money's working somewhere else. Bitcoin, I'm up 6.9%, $17. BSV, I'm down 3.52. I'm not buying any more of this. The stock is not dictating to me. I decide when I buy it, and I've set the limit orders. I'm not paying a penny more for these stocks or assets, all right? Okay, let's have a quick look. Rio Tinto, we're not showing it on the screen right now. What's Rio Tinto doing? Rio Tinto is up 5.5%. With those wonderful dividends. So no issue there either. Looking good. All right. Let's go through the stocks. We've got Day Trader of the Day, of course, coming up. Time for a quick commercial break. Here it comes, a commercial break. Everyone say hello to whoever it is you're presented with. Do you believe in Bitcoin? I do believe in Bitcoin, but I also believe it's going to drop first. So I have owned it. I've made money on Bitcoin, but I'm waiting for it to go. My average is 19,000. I have some, and every time it goes down 1,000 or 2,000, I buy a bit more, and I keep increasing that all the way down. And I will not. Once I pay 18,000, I will never pay more. Once I pay 17,000, I'll never pay more. And it's really funny because I get people on TikTok going, "Oh, you'll buy when it goes to 40,000," and I go, "Are you an idiot? You don't buy when it goes up, you buy when it goes down." It's incredible. I've already made my investments. I know my goals. I've got my principles. I've got my decisions, my plan made. I make money. I don't lose money. I don't chase a stock either. So once I pay 19, that's it. I won't pay 20, 30, 40. I'm paying 19, and I'll only ever pay 18 after that point, and that's it. So I'll always be up on it. Long term. All right. I hope that answers your question. All right. Okay. Where are we right now? Let's have a quick check. I forgot what I was going to say now. Timothy, 350. I will be up. It will be up by then. I just bought calls on Tilray. There we go. Very nice indeed. 350. Very good. Congratulations to Timothy Adams, who's just got in on Tilray. I think he's done the right thing. In fact, let's have a little poll. Let's have a little poll. Yeah, Timothy, I'm going to do this for you because you are a member, so I'm going to do this for you. What's the best stock? All right, what's the best stock? And Tilray or Sundial. There you go. Tilray or Sundial. I suggested that that Timothy get rid of Sundial and get Tilray. They're both Canadian companies. One's the biggest in the world. One's nowhere. One's a penny stock. One's a a successful stock, and one had to do a reverse split to hold itself on into the market. So to me, it's a no-brainer. But I am going to ask it. I'm going to ask you, what's the best stock, Tilray or Sundial? And I'm hoping for Timothy's sake, he gets 100% Tilray, which will make him feel great about selling his Sundial and buying in Tilray. Even if you're down, that is a desperate move for a reverse split. It's kind of last call at the saloon to try to remain on the index. It's not good for them at all. All right, but anyway, let's see what everyone says. Let's see what everyone says to Timothy. We all like a good positive message, but tell the truth. What do you really think? Let us know what you really think. Okay. Okay. The overall portfolio is trying to come up, though. I'm happy. I'm okay. The S&P trying to come up. How many votes have we got so far? Let's have a look. 2 votes so far. 100% so far. XELA did a giant reverse split today. Awful. There you go. Reverse split means they're trying to stay in the index. And then people forget. They'll go, wow, look at that. They'll go on holiday and come back and go, wow, I'm up 20%. This is brilliant. Anyway, Tilray only because I'm down on it. Fusion's going, I'm voting Tilray just because I just want positive energy. I just want it to go up. I'm the same. I'm down 20%. I'm down 20%. So, Timothy's come in today and he's bought a stock 20% cheaper than me. I hate him. I do not like Timothy Adams. You're driving me mad. I want to buy it for 20% down as well. But there you go. I took 2 contracts on Tilray right now. There you go. I do think that will get passed in time. I do think the bill will get passed. And when it does, Tilray will absolutely explode. That's the only thing holding it back, is the legislation. Because it does produce it in Canada. It's just other countries, it's a bit more difficult. Some states allow it in the US. But when it gets a global approval, it'll rock it up. It's also got difficulty as well, folks, because it relies on products. I think it's the grain or something. It relies on something out of Ukraine, and that's being impacted right now. Its costs are being increased, so it's not good at the moment. So it's got 2 main catalysts that will drive it forward: legislation and the end of the war. And both of those things will come in time. The war won't run forever in the Ukraine. It won't go forever. Even if Russia won, eventually the war will come to an end. And if it doesn't come to an end and we all have World War III, who the hell cares? Who the hell cares? So there you go. It's a good thing to be in right now. It relies on Ukraine and it relies on legislation. Any updates on Arrival? Let's have a quick look. Arrival, 3.25 down. I'm not buying any more. I've got no more news on Arrival at the moment. Sorry, I can't bring you anything. Amazon has been pushing up all day. Let's check our Walmart as well. Walmart dropped 8% yesterday, and I was really happy to buy some more at 121. I've got a silly buy order set for 100. Was it 110? I think it is 110. I'll have a quick look and I'll show you now. 110. Basically, I'm sat there like a guy with a big bucket. If suddenly Arrival are close to production according to strong rumours. Let me have a little look. I haven't seen that, Paul, but thank you very much indeed. Arrival are close to production, so buy the rumour, sell the news. If there was a rumour, it would reflect in the price, so it's not reached anybody yet. I hadn't heard about it, and the investors haven't heard about it either. So, Paul, you're right on trend there. You're right ahead of it. If that's true, it's only good. It's only good if that's the case. Anyway, Microsoft and Google, they report tonight. So I'm very excited about that as well. Have we got any likes on the show yet for tonight? Here it is. If you've not yet clicked on the like for this video, After hours, we're doing Google tonight. We've got a massive day today. UPS will be maybe what's it say here? Paul says UPS will maybe talking about them in earnings. Okay. Oh yes, UPS are an investor in Arrival. Forgot about that. A UPS when are UPS reporting? Is that today? When is that? We're not covering it here, but it'd be interesting to watch it though. Right, the markets are going down again, 2% down now. Again, get some context. Over the month, we're up 2.8. On the week, we're obviously down a little bit. Today, I think, okay, thanks, Paul. We'll keep our eye on it. Over there on TikTok, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to you. How are you all today? Lovely to have you here. Down 2% now. 2 weeks ago, Arrival said they are restructuring employment. Well, they'll be one of the companies that can be very efficient. The way they are building their vehicles is supposedly microfactories, a very efficient way of doing it. So their workforce will be minimum anyway. PayPal is down. Breaking news, 5.2%. Just received that information. Okay. This is our position this morning. Hang on a minute. Let me plug in the phone. For some reason, that hasn't come through. Let's try that again. There we go. Here it comes. That's better. That's the overall portfolio. And I can go through all my stocks if anybody wants to have a quick rundown. Here we go. Rundown of the day. The Vanguard S&P is down 0.69. Virgin Galactic down 2.95. Virgin Orbit down 5, Tesla down 1.96, Rivian down 2.49, Lucid is down 2.93, Polestar down 2.91, Arrival down 4.22, Amazon down 3.22, Apple down 0.65, Robinhood down 3.92, McDonald's is now up 1.99. They loved the earnings. Absolutely great. I did not manage to double up though. It didn't drop, but it could still come throughout the day. A quick profit taking, and I would be in. But we'll see what happens. Coca-Cola also fantastic. I do have enough Coke though. It would have been just a gift to got some more. Up 2.28. Johnson & Johnson also fantastic. I love that. 0.57. Google also pumping up today on their earnings. Microsoft down very slightly, but I am up on it. Meta is down 1.86. SoFi down 3.9. IonQ 3.23. PayPal down 5% now. Rolls-Royce down 2.61. Walmart 8.97 down today. Target 3.28 but rising. Tesco 2.62. Canoe down 3.9. What's a red day, guys? But I think it will turn green later. These are all my ETFs. Very quick run through these. I don't touch these. These I just leave for dividend stocks. I just leave them. I just keep adding to them. That's what I ever do. Don't ever touch these stocks at all. All right. On is up today. That's nice. Tilray Brands 3.39. Down today. Good opportunity for Matthew, of course. Ginkgo Bioworks 3.6. Enphase Energy down 0.94. Our lithium stock is down 0.4. And Neurosense is down 3.66. There's my preparation for watching Bitcoin. And 2U. And Rio Tinto is down 1.56. Next Era Energy down 2% today. Oh, that might be an opportunity. Let me have a little look. I've got one. I'm up on it. It's not going lower. No, I'm not going to buy any more. Let's go back to the main position. There we go. Down 2% at the moment. All right. The United States Post Office is looking for another contract for electric vans, by the way. Workhorse and Arrival could be front runners. There we go. I wouldn't buy Workhorse only because I have no idea who it is, what it does, whatsoever. But at the end of the day, I wouldn't buy it because I'm fully invested in EVs. I've got enough. X2222323. Hi, Martin. That must be from Twitch. Is that from Twitch? That may be from Twitch. Let me have a little visit to Twitch. Yes, first time. Hello, how are you? I've got some exciting news for you, my Twitcher. We're over on YouTube right now. But what we do, we give my Twitchers every month. It's Sarah. Hello, Sarah. How are you? My name's Martyn Lucas, the world piano man and day trader. This is my studio where I've raised over $1 million for our members here. Now then, over on Twitch, if you subscribe to me using your Amazon Prime, which is free, you might have to turn gaming on, which is free. You just turn it on. If you turn it on and subscribe to me, every month, on the first Friday of the month, I do a free draw. A totally free draw. It'll cost you absolutely nothing. I do a cash draw. Basically, I give back a proportion of my subscribers' income. Because everyone who subscribes to me on Amazon Prime, I earn $1.85 a month. I collect all that up and I return a portion of that back to my subscribers. So it's absolutely free. It's a free thing. If you use Amazon Prime, you turn on Amazon Prime Gaming, which is free, and then every month on the first Friday, you get a free draw. Now, if you want to be over on YouTube, we have cash prize draws every Friday here on YouTube. Let me give you the YouTube link right now for you if you want to join us on YouTube. But welcome our new Twitch guest who's just followed me as well. It's Sarah. Lovely to have you here. There you go. I've given you the YouTube link as well. So if you want to come over, then I will happily give you the newsletter for our weekly giveaways as well in YouTube. Okay, brilliant. Now then, the overall market is still falling down. We're down 0.8 at the moment. Everybody on TikTok right now, got a gift for you as well. If you subscribe to me here on TikTok, at the end of today's show, when I finish, I make a commercial to promote your channel and ask all my viewers, 21,000 of them, to follow you on TikTok. And your channel will be on this screen behind me. And I will tag you in it, message you, send it to you, and then you can then get more followers and subscribers. And as I grow, I'm trying to make everybody else grow at the same time. Okay? And it's just what I do, trying to grow the best YouTube, Twitch, and TikTok channels in the world to raise more money for charities, help my members, help my subscribers, and everyone who subscribes to me and supports me, I give back 10 times what you give me. That's what I try to do. That's my aim. All right, the overall market is still falling down, but we've had some really good news today. Let me go through all the stocks again. Ethereum is down at the moment. Bitcoin is down, which is great. I want Bitcoin to go down. I want Bitcoin to rinse out. My average is 19,000. I want it to go to 18,000 so I can buy another batch of it. Same with Ethereum. Bitcoin SV, on the other hand, I'm never buying any more of it. I've got 11 Bitcoin. I don't need to own any more than 11 Bitcoin. That's all I need, right? That's all I need to be a multimillionaire. Enphase Energy is down 1% right now. Ginkgo Bioworks is down 5.22. Tilray Brands, it's down 3.67. On is popped up and back down again. Canoe is down today, 3.91. Tesco's down 3.91. Target is down 3.76. Trying to push up though. My overall target position, I'm still up though. I wouldn't buy any more. Walmart, I'm down just 1%. That's all. Despite it being down 9% today. Fantastic. I am very happy with that. Rolls-Royce, PayPal. PayPal is down, but I'm still up nearly 3%. I'm okay with that. IonQ, SoFi, Meta, Google, and Microsoft report tonight. Big night for them. Let's have a little look. Yeah, after hours today. We're going to be watching that like a hawk. Google, Johnson & Johnson having an amazing day. An amazing day. I've got plenty in there already. Coca-Cola, a great day. Great dividends as well. McDonald's, great, up 4%. I would have loved a dip to have come, but it didn't. Robinhood now. I've got a new low here. If I wanted to buy some more, I just don't. I just don't. You'd have to go a lot lower before I buy any more. Apple, I've got enough. Amazon, same thing. I've got enough. Arrival, trying to come back up. Polestar down. Lucid down, but I'm still up 6%. These bottoms now, guys, are a lot stronger. Sarah, how are you? Good morning, Market Profit. You missed the earnings this morning from Coca-Cola and McDonald's. It was pretty good. Despite everything, they exceeded expectations, as I said they would. And on top of that, their share price is up today quite considerably. Here's McDonald's up 1.81 and Coca-Cola is up. And our Walmart position, remember last night you talked about it? I ended up buying some and now I'm only down 1%. And I'm happy with that. Despite we are down 8% today, I'm only down 1%. All right, very, very good. Love it. Very, very happy. Again, strengthening my portfolio long term. And again, you need to get perspective. Over the month, I'm still up on the month by 2.5%. I am happy with that. All right, we're going to get some bounces back now. We are in my opinion, we reached bottoms on the high-tech stocks, and most of the markets now have reached bottom. And this week is our biggest earnings reporting, and the earnings aren't that bad. And the projections aren't great, but at least we know where we are. Now tomorrow we have could one of my moderators take care of that, please? We have yeah. Hi Martin. Yes, it's Sarah. That's over from. Oh, I just saw that again. From Sarah from Sarah from Twitch. Wonderful stuff. And moderators, when you see stuff like that, if you could report it, not just delete it. If you report it, it kind of kills it. If you just delete it and come back again. So there you go. I'm going to report it. There you go. Report it. Have a look at Muln today. Not touching that ever again. No surprise. Muln was good once. Muln, I did it. I actually played it twice. Made some money on Muln. Muln, obviously, is a con. Obviously. It's shown itself to be a con. Muln is 100% a con. No question about it. Muln comes out with news. When it comes out with news, the stock pops up. I tell you what you could do at this price. Nah, do you know what? I'm not even gonna do it. I'm not even gonna do it for a laugh. At this price, it's a lottery ticket, right? At this price, it is definitely a lottery ticket. So what would that make me? 100 shares. 200. 173. Buy Muln. 200. I'm going to buy 200 shares of Muln as purely as a lottery ticket. It is a scammy stock. It's horrible. And I'm going to set a stop trading. There we go. 1 week. That's one of its lows, right? Yep. There you go. Now what I'm going to do is set a... there we go. I've made money on it straight away. This is a complete joke stock, right? Do it. Have a look. There you go. So what I'm going to do is sell it. And I'm going to put a... there we go. I'm up 1%. It's a joke. It's a joke stock. They bring out some news. It pops up. Then the news never happens. It's all a lie. Then it goes back down again. It's a joke. It's awful. But it's easy to make money when everybody else holds it like it's going to change the world. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sell it. I'm going to set a... hang on a minute. I'm going to sell it. I'm going to set a trading stop order. A trading stop order. There you go. You ready? I'm going to sell all of it. Percentage. Right, okay, I'm prepared to lose. Right, where are we now? 2%. Right, I'm up 2% now. So a percentage, 2%. That means I'm back where I started. Shares, how many did I buy? 200, all of them. Good for the day, good till cancelled. There we go. There you go. Right, sell all of my MUL, stop trailing order, 2%, shares, 200, percentage, 2%. This is guaranteed to make me money. I can't lose. Trail, 2%. I'm up already. Easy money. It's just silly. All right, good till cancelled. Review the order. There we go. Look, easy. It's a joke stock, right? Review the order, set 2%. Okay. Review the order and sell. Sell MUL, 2% drop. There you go, sell. So I'm guaranteed now to make money. I can't lose money. It's easy. It's free money for everyone. If anybody wants to make some free money today, MUL is now sold all the way back down again to the bottom. Set yourself a stop trading loss. You can't lose money. All right. You can't. It's a joke, because what will happen is everybody will pump it and they'll dump it. But the people that lose the money are the ones that think it's going to go to $1 million because it's so cheap. And wow, look at it. They'll look at this. They'll look at this and go, look, MUL could go to $11, $16. Oh, I'm going to be a millionaire. Don't think like that. Just make any profit, right? I have set a 2%. So I'm guaranteed to make 1% at the moment. And that's it. All right. Good job. I told you at the right time. Robbie Cooper. Yeah, you did. And if it suddenly goes all the way up to $16 and then down 2%, I'll make a killing. It's guaranteed. Robbie Cooper, top tip of the day. I appreciate it. Top tip of the day. I really do appreciate you telling me that. Here it goes. I'm just going to forget it now. Leave it there. MUL sold. Woohoo! MUL sold. I just sold it. What did I make? It's going back down again. What did I make? How much money did I make this time? Right. I bought it for 173. I made $2. I made $2. I made $2. So there you go. Easy. That's how you make money on MUL. So the money's back in the bank. I made $2. It's free money. We'll keep our eye on it. And if it goes back down here again, I might do it again. And then set the stop loss again. The same thing again. How do I start with this kind of thing? How do I start? Where are you? Are you over on Twitch? Well, where in the world are you, first of all? Is that Sarah? Our family is here on YouTube, just so you know. That's where our traders are. I've given you the link should you wish to come over. Where are you in the world, and what is your objectives? What are you looking to do? That's the key to this. You need to know what your aims are, what your target is. Remember, are you in the UK? Okay. I'm actually from Cornwall in the United Kingdom, even though my studio is here in Texas. Just make a little money. Just make a little money. Well, fair enough. I started with $5,000, and you can see I'm now at 36,000. This is my real money, my real shares. Now, what we do here, you just need to understand before I say anything to you, I don't give financial advice. This is my real journey, my real money. I don't sell anything. I don't exaggerate or pretend. All right, my lover, do I sound like I'm from Cornwall now, my booty? All right, there you go. From Truro, my handsome. All right, does that sound better? I'm from Dallas. I'm in Dallas, Texas right now, though. But anyway, if you want to be part of the family and you want to invest, that's more like it. Right. Okay. Well, what I suggest you do, just for a minute then, is if you want to start investing and trading and making money like we're doing here, is come into YouTube. Let me just give you the link for a second. And the reason why I say that is you can talk to all our investors and our traders, and I will give you all the things that we can do for you. It's much, much easier. All right? How long was it since I put my 5,000 in? I started here just over a year ago. I started over a year ago. There you go. Mullen's going back down again, folks, as we expected it to do so. Right. I made a couple of bucks. I'm happy with that. Let's see if our guest Sarah comes into YouTube, and then we can introduce her to all the investors, all the traders, and we can assist and help in any way we can. But there are lots of things that you can do, Sarah, for free money. We do give free money away, not to lazy people who just beg for it, but people actually who want to take the trouble to watch our videos and be a part of the family. They get, there's perks and benefits for all of those people. Not bots, not spammers, not lazy people who just come in and go, give me free money, and then when you don't give them free money straight away, they leave. Not for those people, but for people who work and who want to take part in the family and be involved. They win money all the time. For those people, right? Let's do day trader of the day, folks. Let's do that. Let's have a quick look. How many people are with us right now? Okay, time for day trader of the day, I think. Let's bring everybody live. So here comes a quick commercial. Skip the commercial and come straight back for our day trader of the day competition. Let's see if Sarah comes and joins us. There we go. Right. The overall portfolio is down. Mullen, look at Mullen bouncing around. I just took a couple of free shares out of it. That's what I ended up doing. Okay. $2.39 down, sorry, 2.37% down today. Vanguard S&P is down 0.82. Virgin Galactic is down 2.77. Virgin Orbit, I've got buys set in here at 325. Tesla, I've got buys at 650. Rivian, that's okay, we're up 16%. Lucid, up 3%. Sorry, down 3.44, but I'm still up 6%. Polestar is down, but that's okay, I'm still up. No, I'm not, beg your pardon, down on Polestar. Arrival bouncing sideways, not much going on. Amazon, really nervous for the rest of the week. A company that can't pass costs over to consumers, like Coke and the McDonald's, for some for some trouble. Apple, Amazon, Google, and Microsoft likely catastrophic. It's a good way. It's a good comment, market. If a company can't pass over costs like McDonald's and Coke, how does that? That's what you're basically saying, right? But my experience in life is slightly different than that. Is the fact that there's always money at the top. People can always afford an iPhone, but maybe can't afford a Coke. Now that sounds ridiculous, but that's how it works all the time. There are people who have low incomes, who don't work, they're unemployed, but they have an iPhone every year. People will always buy the stuff they really want. And the fact of the matter is, despite the downturn market, Coke and McDonald's exceeded their expectations. They exceeded expectations. That is the most important message of the day. I know it's not great, but bearing in mind, we agreed on that. Normally, yes, but not in a recession. We partly agreed there. That was a meeting of that was a moment there. Me and Market Profit agreed on something there for a moment, and then he pulled it away. End of the day, look at McDonald's today. Look at McDonald's today. Let's get some context here. McDonald's today is up. They did well. They exceeded expectation. You know, they said that it would be a bad quarter. Not only did they beat it, it was up from last quarter. I would regard that. Oh, Sarah's here. Sarah Hodges. Sarah Hodges. Welcome to Sarah. She's come over from Twitch. I want to welcome Sarah Hodges into the family today. So let's give a nice welcome. We've got a couple of ladies here. We have our ladies from Italy. We have the Queen of Self-Braiding from Dallas, Texas. Sarah Hodges. Welcome. Would all my members please put your cities and countries in and give Sarah a welcome. We get very few ladies here in the show, so we'd like to make her feel welcome, and we'd like to help her. She said, I'm just trying to make some money. She's not begging, which I like. She's come over. She's made the effort, which I like. She's not one of those scammers over on TikTok who just say, give me money, and then they don't do anything in return. Sarah's come over from come over from Twitch. So first of all, let's welcome her in. So first of all, Sarah, my name is Martyn Lucas. I'm known as the World Piano Man after performing in 195 countries all around the world. This is my studio here in Dallas, Texas. Let me give you a wave. Hello, how are you doing? And in this studio, for my members, should you ever wish to become a member, I've raised over $1 million for charities where my members get all the money. This is my piano, my music studio. Back here, I do music in the show. If anyone requests a song in the show, I go back to the piano and I do a song. And I do fundraising shows, and all my members get all the money. I don't charge for it. I don't take commission, and I've raised over $1 million for my members. Okay. Now, I'm from Dallas. My studio is here in Dallas, Texas, even though I'm from Cornwall. Market Profit is one of our biggest traders and our investors. He is here today. He's always with us. He's from Canada. Would all the other members please put your cities and countries, and please welcome Sarah in. So let me start off by giving Sarah all the information. First of all, Sarah, as you've made the effort, I'm going to give you the opportunity. Thanks for the subscriber, Charles. I'm going to give you the opportunity now for some free money. It's free. You don't have to pay anything. You don't have to do anything. Just join us live here in the show. We're live 10 hours a day, Monday to Friday. Every opening bell, every closing bell. We do the earnings reports. You name it, we're here. So here is the first opportunity I'm going to give to you. This is free. Every week on a Friday in the opening bell, we do our cash giveaway. I give away the money I make in the video. I also have cash prizes, and the links for the video you need to watch to be in the draw, and some of the videos are like a minute long. That's all you have to do, are in our weekly newsletter. Is our weekly newsletter, which comes out to you in the UK 2 p.m. on a Sunday. There is the weekly newsletter. Now, when you click on that, it'll bring you to this page here, and you will see the Day Trader newsletter right at the top. Here, look, see it? You put in your email there. Nothing else. It's a secure site, HTTPS. I never spam you. You can unsubscribe at any time. It's free. And every Sunday at 2 p.m. in the UK, you will receive my newsletter. And that will contain all my stock tips, what I'm trading, facts of the day, plus it'll give you all the cash giveaways. We're currently running 3 cash giveaways: a weekly cash giveaway, a monthly cash giveaway on Twitch, and our $100 giveaway on the 4th of August. It's free to enter, free for all. There it is. Now, once you put your email in there, you are then searching for the verification email. And I say you're searching because it often goes in your junk folder because it contains the word free and cash giveaways. And that often is what happens. So once you click on that, you'll get an email, and you need to search your junk folder because it often goes there. The Day Trader at martynlucas.com, which is my official, obviously, email of this channel. And then you're in, and every Sunday you'll receive it. Okay, easy, easy, easy. We have 123 people now who are on our newsletter and 93 verified. So it goes out to 93. Oh, 94 now. It's just gone up again. 94 verified now. So there you go. Was that you? That may have been you. If that was you, that was very quick. Now, also on that link I gave you, if you scroll below, there are all the brokerages that I use that give me free stocks to give to people as referrals. So you can use, that's the same link. Just scroll below. And if you look below on that link, you'll see all of the stuff. Scroll down, look, I'll show you. Down here, you can watch us on the YouTube channel. You can watch my music on my other channel. Or these are all the things, look. We've got the day trader, we've got the TikTok, we've got the free giveaways, we've got all the different things that we offer. There's money back on referrals. Look to all these companies: COINBASE, Crypto.com, Webull, eTORO. These are all the companies I use. My Twitter account, my Facebook. They're all there on the on that link page I just gave you. But right at the top is the newsletter. All right, there you go. Now then, what I do is I trade every day on Robinhood. That's the brokerage I use. I started with $5,000. I was doing really, really well until the war broke out and inflation got out of hand and we crashed down. Now, is this bad? No. Like Warren Buffett, I love the red days. The red days are when I buy for the future because I want to buy shares that people paid for 10 years ago. I want to get in there. So I've been buying the dips as they fell down. And imagine I had 100 shares up here. I now have 10,000 shares down here at half the price they were up here. So this took a year to get to. This will take 5. This on any news. The war is over. COVID's under control. Anything could rise up and then rocket past because I've got a lot more shares. So I'm happy with the shares going down. There's Mullen going up again. Look, I made my couple of bucks. I'm out of that. Waiting for the next crash to come. I'm not going to buy it now because it could go lower again. Anyway, getting back to the stocks right now. Now, I gave Sarah all those things. I wonder if she did any of those. Okay. The S&P is now coming up. The overall portfolio is trying to push up again. There we go. We are reporting tonight on the Google earnings after hours. We're about to end this show. We're just coming to the end. If we get Sarah, I've signed up. All right, brilliant. I can see you've signed up because on here it was 93. It's gone to 94. So that's you. So on Sunday at 2 p.m. in the UK, you will receive my newsletter with all the free competitions. And you can then take part in next Friday's competition. And we do it every single week. We're trying. Our aim is to grow the best YouTube channel, best TikTok and Twitter and Twitch channel in the world, where we help more people, we give more prizes away, our real money, not like Mr. Beast, my own money, and we have the highest subscription rate in the world for a YouTube channel as well. We have 15 to 16% average of people that watch to subscribe. That is higher than nearly anyone because we're live all the time. I make very few videos compared to the amount of time I'm live, and we do that because we want to support people and help people. Now, Sarah Hodges, do you like music? Are you a fan of music? Because I'm the world piano man. I can do 16 I forgot 16 hang on a minute, I forgot what I'm going to say now. 650 songs, 14 voices in 7 different languages. Richard Marx, Michael Bolton, Frank Sinatra, Michael Jackson, Paul McCartney, Elton John. I can do those voices live during the show. If you want to hear a voice, Mullen's going up again. Look, folks, I did make some money on it. I made 1% profit. It's going up again. It's had an 8% swing today. If you want to have a little go at it, a little bit of fun. But to remember, it could go down as quickly as it went up. All right, I'm not touching it again. So if you want to make a request, you can during the show. Vanguard S&P is coming up. Virgin Galactic is also trying to come up. Virgin Orbit is still going down. That's good. I want to buy at 325. I'm still up at 4.86%. Tesla, I've got a 650 buy, so I'm hoping that goes down as well. Allow me to learn my averages again. Rivian, Lucid. Love McCartney. Well, you might like to know then, I am as close to Paul McCartney as you're probably likely to get. And what do I mean by that? I'll show you. Wings, Paul McCartney's band. Hang on a minute. Can I search for it in here? Wings. I'm going to show you that when Wings met in the UK, they asked me to perform as Paul McCartney when they tour the US again in the future, as Paul McCartney no longer wants to tour with Wings. Here I am rehearsing with Wings. I can do the voice of Paul McCartney. There I am at the rehearsal room in England. That's in Bournemouth. There's the band. There I am at the piano. There's Wings. Look, rehearsing. And here's Howie Casey, this guy with the bald head. That's their saxophonist. He was the guy who put it all together. There I am, look, rehearsing with Wings. So if you want to hear the voice of Sir Paul McCartney, I can do it in the show. It is a $10 super chat, and the reason why, or a £10 if you're from the UK, the reason why I ask for a tip is because if I sing a song, I get copyrighted, and I lose my ad revenue. But I will do it if you cover the ad revenue, and the ad revenue is $10 on my shows right now because I'm only a small channel. But so if you want to request. When I find myself in time of trouble. Live in the show, I'll go to my piano behind me and I will sing a Paul McCartney song live at the piano for you and dedicate it to you. And you can own the video, put it on you can clip it, put it on your social media, and you can own it. I'll give you the copyright. It's what I do for everyone who gives me a super chat or becomes a member. Okay, there you go. You can have that in the show if you want to. All right. Alternatively, if you are a real music fan and you want to go to my other channel, you can hear my entire Paul McCartney back catalogue. There's the Martyn Lucas channel on the homepage of the Day Trader. I'm going to give it to you now. I'm going to give you the link, or you can just click on the channel. There you go. There you go. There's the channel. If you want to go and subscribe to me and check out my entire back catalogue, you can. All right. Or you can request it live. And if you become a member of our channel, you can have a birthday song on your birthday. You can get access to Discord. You can get lots of more perks and you can have a 20-minute fundraiser for free for a charity you want to support. Here is the invitation if you wish to join. And also you can call in live to the show as a member through Discord. Let me give you the invitation to join there. All right, you've got it now in the chat. And talking of which, let's hear from some of our traders. Let me introduce you to our ladies. Here's Patty April from Italy. She's one of our lady members.
Hello to everybody. I'm calling from Tuscany, near Pisa. I'm very, very happy to be here. It's very amazing. It's very funny. And to share friendship, a great channel, because you're sympathetic, because it's a great family, a pleasure, and a great emotion.
And here's the Queen of Self-Braiding, who's another lady.
I would like to welcome the new members especially, and I'm so proud of this family and your work. Well, especially this family has been so wonderful doing some work for Uganda. On behalf of Zach, I would like to thank you so much.
There we go. And we even have celebrities call in. Kurt Wuckert, who's been on all the major news networks, called into our show, and he's a fan of the show as well. Here's Kurt Wuckert.
I'm Kurt Wuckert Jr., and I am blessed to have been on the Day Trader. Please subscribe, watch everything. Martyn is being really, really honest with you guys. It's a killer thing. So check him out. You can check me out at CoinGeek.com and GorillaPool.com. It's been a pleasure.
There we go. Absolutely great. And we've got Alan Forex King who's just joined in. Good morning, Alan. How are you this morning? Lovely to have you here. Welcome, welcome. All the markets sold off this morning, and we like that. We're preparing for some better positions. We've just made a couple of bucks, literally a couple of bucks on Mullen. It's a joke stock. It's scammy. It's horrible. But I just set it went right to the bottom, and I set a stop trading loss of 2%. So if it went up 2%, and it went back down again, I can't lose money. It went up 3%, back down 2%, I made 1%. I made literally $2. It's very scammy. I don't touch it. It's just a way to make money if you set a stop trading loss. It's a joke stock, really it is. I expect Google to beat earnings and the stock market to rally bigly. So do I. So do I, Paul. And I can give you inside information which other people will not give you. And I know that for a fact. For a fact. YouTube ad revenue is up. YouTubers are going online and saying that ad revenue is going down because they want you to feel sorry for them. They make Meet Kevin makes 10 grand a video, all right, on his million channel, on his million subscriber channel, all right. My ad revenue is going up because companies are spending more money on ads. That is a fact. My ad revenue is going up, which means Google's going up and YouTube is going up. They have to be going up, because they can't pay their creators more on ad revenue if ad revenue is going down. All right? Now, people are turning on YouTube, oh, my ad revenue is going down because the markets are going down, so I must be losing. No, they're not. That's not true. And, I'm telling you the truth. Why would I tell you different? Why would I come on here and tell you my money's going up? Well, I'm telling you it is. So Google are making more money. YouTube are making more money, and we're going to report Google tonight. That is a fact. All right, so there you go. If you want to know what the earnings are going to do, I'm telling you, they have to be going up. They have to be going up because ad revenue is going up. Where's it coming from? They're not paying you. They're not paying you because they're losing money, are they? Right. Anyway, let's have a little look at it right now. It's time for Day Trader of the Day. I expect Google to beat earnings, says Paul. Yep, so do I. I don't expect it to. I know it will. It has to. You can't do anything else. Google is down 1.52 at the moment, preparing for earnings tonight, and Microsoft is also down. I've got some buy orders placed at really silly price. How can I learn stocks and the platform? How can I learn stocks and the platform you use? Alan, I go live every day, 10 hours a day. 2, 3, maybe not quite 10 actually. 2, 3 in the morning, 2, 3 in the evening, every day, plus all my breaking news, plus earnings reports. I am trading live. This is my real trades. This is my real position. This is my real money. I don't sell you anything. I just go live and do what I do, and I share it. We're trying to grow the best YouTube, Twitch, and TikTok channels in the world. We've given away $1 million to our members, and it's what we do here in the studio. And we're here to help and support everyone. Become part of the family. Talk to everybody in the chat. Talk to all the members on Discord. Become a member. Take part. Get all my top tips for free every week in our newsletter. Here's the newsletter link for you. It's free, and you also have all the cash prize giveaways every week. There is the verification email. There is the link to it. It'll bring you to this page. Just click on it. It'll go to this page here. Hang on. There's the email. You put your email in there, and then you verify the email. You need to search for the email because it goes into the junk because it contains the words cash prizes and free, and that's regarded as spammy sometimes. I don't know why, but there you go. There it is. That's the email you're searching for, and you will be in our draw. Get our top tips. If you want to be on Discord too, you can. Let me give you the Discord. Here's the Discord. It's all below on that link anyway I've given you. There's the Discord. All right, scroll below, you'll see it all. And here's the invitation to join, which will open up all the exclusive channels, and you'll be able to talk to me, call live onto the show, and be involved. All right, and I share with you everything I'm doing, not to manipulate or anything, just to show you what I'm trading with my real money. This is my real money and all of my real money. Okay. What platform do I trade on? Robinhood. Where in the world are you? I can give you some free stocks, hopefully, depending on where you are. Where are you in the world? What part of the world are you from? I'm from Cornwall. in England, but I'm here in Dallas, Texas right now in my studio. The S&P is coming up. This is looking good, guys. I'm very, very pleased with how it's bouncing back. South Africa. Wonderful stuff. We've got friends in Africa. I played in Johannesburg as well, did an event there. We've got many friends here from Africa. We've got Zach from Uganda. And we got a few actually from Africa. It's wonderful to have you here. I don't know what platforms there are in the US, so I can't advise. I wish I could, but I can't. I have no knowledge of what's best available in South Africa. But my members on Discord probably could tell you. If you wish to become a member, here is the link to become a member, and then we can add you to Discord. There we go. Mike, welcome Alan from Winchester, Virginia. Here comes the rally. It took a while, but here it comes. I said it would come, and it is. Wonderful stuff. Wonderful stuff. Here it's coming. There you go. Oh, it's coming up quite quickly now as well. There we go. The S&P is coming up, just down 1.4 overall. Virgin Galactic's coming back up. Rob Brennan sold it out this morning for a loss. I hope he doesn't regret that decision. I didn't sell mine. Virgin Orbit is down 3%. Tesla's coming back up as well. So is Rivian. Coming up very quickly. Lucid's coming up quickly and it's gaining speed now. Polestar is coming up. Amazon Arrival is coming up. Amazon is pushing up. So is Apple. Robinhood is pushing up. McDonald's having a great day. Look at that. Why is McDonald's looking a bit odd? Let me change that screen. Coca-Cola also doing well today. Johnson & Johnson, very nice for them today. That's a nice big push. They don't have big swings, all right? Google is going down. We've got the earnings after hours tonight. Microsoft, the FOMC report tomorrow. Alan King, I don't think you signed up for the newsletter yet. I'm just watching to refresh it so you get your verification so I can make sure it's gone through for you. I'll give you the link again. Then you get all the cash prize giveaways and you also get the competitions as well where you win free money and all my top tips. There is the link you're looking for, and here is the email you're searching for in your junk folder. Often goes in there. I'll post it twice so you can see it. Okay, Microsoft coming back up again. Meta still going down. SoFi, IonQ, PayPal, Rolls-Royce, Walmart. I'm glad I bought those shares. It didn't plummet down, which is good. Target down 4%. Tesco is down, but I'm up on it. On is returning quickly. Tilray Brands has got a big bounce. Biggest bounce of the day so far. Enphase Energy, very good. Swing trading on that, or scalp trading, I should say. We've got the dividends coming up soon. Bitcoin SV, I've got 11 Bitcoin. BTC down, Ethereum down. Right, back to the main portfolio. Trying to push up. Right, let's do day trader of the day. We're going to end the show there right now. Take a break. And then we're back this afternoon for the closing bell and Google earnings. All right. Okay. So let's do day trader of the day. Let's bring everybody up to date. So here we go. We're going to bring everybody up to date right now. With a quick ad, so you can skip the ad, and then we'll do day trader of the day. When the first person puts their score on the screen, we shall do day trader of the day. Here comes the ad. Click the live button and turn it from grey to red. You need to be live to be in the competition. Here we go. Okay, day trader of the day. So I am down 1.93%. There you go. I'm down 1.93%. When the first person puts their score on, we shall start the timer and see who wins Day Trader of the Day today. Okie dokie. Here we go. Here come the scores. All right, we're off and running. Dave Mottram is down 1.35. He goes into the lead then. Dave Mottram goes into the lead. Congratulations to you. Do we have any advances on Dave Mottram? Down 1.35. The overall portfolio is just down, but trying to push up though. Chicky, 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 ba ba. Would the real Satoshi please stand up? Say please stand up. Say please stand up. Would the real Satoshi stand up? Nakamoto. All right. Virgin Orbit's trying to come up. SPCE is coming up quickly now. Tesla is just nipping down again. Let's end the clock. Give you countdown 10 seconds. Here we go. Can't just have Dave Mottram. What's going on? We've got plenty of people watching. There's no one putting their score on the door. Down 1.35. Here we go. The Church of Logic has gone straight into the lead. Up 4.9. Congratulations to you. Overall portfolio, day trading position. Yeah, I win. Dave Mottram. No, you don't. No, you don't. Up 4.9 right at the dying seconds. I don't know why everyone's so far behind. Yeah, I don't know why, but never mind. We got any more score? We should have more score. I know, Dave. How are you, by the way? How are you feeling, by the way? I see you got a gold badge now, which means you've been a member for 6 months. Congratulations and thank you for being such a loyal member to our family. Really appreciate it. Supporting all the live shows. Makes all the difference. We wouldn't be here if it wasn't for our members. All right, we wouldn't be live every day if it wasn't for our members. So if anyone wants to be a member, get all the perks and benefits, which are designed to help you and benefit you more than me. That's what it's for. The more you give, the more you get back. That's how I run my business. Here is the invitation to join, and you'll see nearly 95% of all our viewers are now members, which is great. Thank you, guys. You make the live shows possible. Right. Church of Logic is the winner. So thank you for your honest trades. Really, really great. And give them a thumbs up also. And here's the sound effects. Oh, yeah. Awesome. There you go. Very, very good indeed. Well done, Church. Yes, indeed. The Church of Logic. I like that. It's kind of cool. Let me just adjust the Mr. Smiley face a minute. I'm just going to make him a bit smaller. I'll make it a bit smaller and put him up there, look, like that. I'm going to put him where's best? Where's the middle? There you go. There you go. That's even better, right? That's just even better. It's just a little bit neater, isn't it? Making adjustments. There you go. Congratulations. Well done to you. Church of Logic. Thank you, guys. You're very, very welcome. Well done. Right, we're going to end the show there right now. Of course, we've got Google earnings later on and Microsoft. Big, big day. So the way to get there, if you've enjoyed the music today and you'd like to be part of my music channel, here it is, the music in the chat for you right now. There it is. There it is. And you can click on that. Or on the homepage of the Day Trader is the link anyway. Whichever way you want to do it is fine. Right, let me now give you the Google earnings. After hours tonight, we're going to be reporting on the Google earnings. This is critical, guys. I expect Google earnings to go up. So I'm going to give everyone the link now, and you can go and click like, leave a comment, and click notify so you won't miss it. There it is. It's straight after the earnings tonight. There is the link to Google earnings. And you can see we've already got a couple of likes and a couple of comments there as well. So if you want to go and like it, you can. There it is. All right. Good stuff. Okay, let's get back and wrap up the show. And does anybody else need to verify their email for the newsletter? If you've not done it, let me know and I'll help you through it. Awesome. I think we're going to wrap it up right there. Has anybody got any more questions before we go? I think we lost Sarah. Sarah's not with us right now. I was going to do a Paul McCartney song for her, but I don't think she's with us anymore. So I'm going to say goodbye to everybody. Welcome you all to the show later on this afternoon. So all it needs now is someone to say the magic words, and we will start. Who's going to say the magic words? If you did a super chat today, if you subscribed to us, if you became a member on Twitch, any of those, or you moderated the channel. Oh, I'm still here. I'm still here. Speak to you on Instagram. Oh, okay. Wonderful stuff. Right. Roll them credits, Shadstream. Roll them credits. I was waiting for it. So if you did a super chat, if you requested anything, if you became a subscriber or a member, you're about to appear in the Hall of Fame. Are you ready? So, as always, at the end of the show, it's time to roll those credits. I don't expect much today. I don't expect much. Let's have a little look. Let's have a little look. There we go. Let's go to the end of the show. The moderators was Restream Bot today. That's all the moderators were. Nobody had to do any moderation today, which is a good thing. It means we didn't have too many idiots on the show. So we're okay with that. What about our followers? EX22323. I think that's Sarah, who's now joined us here on YouTube. Thank you very much indeed. And who subscribed to us on YouTube? Remember, these are the only public people. If you hide your stuff, you don't get seen. Charles and Mungu Gayaku. Charles Mungayaku. Wonderful stuff. Thank you for you guys. There you go. There's our Hall of Fame. Now, today was an extended show. Great show, says Robbie Cooper. Thank you very much indeed. We covered the earnings from Coca-Cola and McDonald's in depth. We did McDonald's, of course. I'm okay with it. The markets are okay. They were down a little bit, but I'm perfectly fine. I'm holding on. I tried to buy some more, but the big drops didn't come, which is good and bad. Good because it means the markets didn't sell off so much. Bad because I didn't buy any cheap stocks, but that's okay. So that's fine. We're now going to be back for the closing bell this afternoon, of course, covering that. Ring the bell, day trader of the day, and carry on. And then we'll go straight into our Google earnings after hours tonight. That's it. Anthony Bell just became a subscriber. Thank you very much indeed. Anthony Bell just subscribed to the channel. You're too late to make the Hall of Fame. If you subscribe to our newsletter, it will come out on Sunday, and our cash prize draw is every Friday. But what a great day. Nice to see Robbie Cooper here, Shadstream, Dave Mottram. Sarah Hodges is going to talk to me on Instagram. I have to say I don't use Instagram a lot, but I will reply to you. The very best way is here on YouTube, Twitch, TikTok. But for conversation off air, it's Discord. That's it. Take care of yourselves and each other. See you back in a bit.